Welcome to FATS, the First Aid Training Simulator. We are teaching people first aid through AI-powered interactive emergency simulations. First aid training addresses a critical problem. 80% of people have never taken a first aid course. Brain cells can only survive for 4 minutes without oxygen, and 70% of cardiac arrests happen at home. We aim to close the gap between an emergency occurring and professional help arriving. Our solution, FATS, is an interactive AI simulator for first aid training through fictional emergency scenarios. It's AI-powered using Amazon Nova Lite and includes a scoring system. Safety is paramount, with guardrails blocking attempts to solicit real medical advice. The tech stack uses Amazon Nova Lite for scenarios and evaluation, orchestrated by an AWS Bedrock agent. AWS Bedrock guardrails enforce safety. Data is managed by Amazon DynamoDB, and the interface is built with Streamlit and Python, hosted on Streamlit Cloud. Here is our architecture diagram. The user interacts with the Streamlit Cloud frontend, which communicates with the AWS Bedrock agent. This agent uses guardrails and Nova Lite, all managed through AWS IAM and storing data in Amazon DynamoDB. FATS uses an Agentic AI approach. Level 1 is a basic chatbot. We are currently at Level 2, with workflow logic, guardrails, and scoring. Future plans include Level 3 memory and a Level 4 multi-agent architecture. FATS works in 5 steps. Log in with an auto-generated username, choose one of 6 scenarios, simulate the scene described by AI, decide your actions and get scored, and finally, learn from the feedback. The safety guardrail is always active. In the road accident simulation, the AI describes a scene. We provide the recommended action and receive a score, confirming that calling emergency services is the correct immediate action. We cover 6 training scenarios, including road accident, fracture and bone, bleeding control, unconscious or CPR, burns and scalds, and choking. Each scenario focuses on key first aid steps. Building FATS taught us about managing IAM roles and permissions for agents and the importance of prompt engineering. We implemented 2-layer safety using guardrails and system prompts. We also gained practical experience with the difference between agentic and generative AI. For what's next, Phase 2, deploy to web, is complete. Phase 3 is planned to add memory for user profiles. Future phases include personalization and a multi-agent architecture for true agentic capabilities. FATS, the First Aid Training Simulator, is preparing people for emergencies one simulation at a time. If you want to try FATS, please request beta access using the link provided.